Verbs. Introduction. A verb is defined as a word or phrase that describes an action, condition or experience. Verb डिफ़ाइन किया जाता है एक ऐसा शब्द जो कि डिस्क्राइब करता है कि हमने क्या किया, क्या कार्य किया या फिर क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया या कंडीशन. Verb referring to action. Walk, run, talk, sit, read, write, jog, cough, sleep, jump, sing, drink. Verbs referring to experience or feelings. Love, hate, envy, believe, trust, feel, entrust, experience, care, cherish, sense, adore. Verb referring to state or condition. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, will be, appear. Types of verb. Verb can be classified into numerous types according to their function or role in the sentence or context. Let us look into the various types of verbs and some examples of each verb. The first one is the auxiliary or helping verb. We often call auxiliary and helping verb as the main verb. A verb that is used to help another verb sound sensible and meaningful. It is used to change the other verb's tense, mood or voice. ये एक ऐसा verb है जो कि दूसरे verb को हेल्प करता है उसको मीनिंगफुल और सेंसिबल बनाने में, और ये उसके इमोशंस, मूड और वॉइस चेंज करता है दूसरे वर्ब के. ये मेन वर्ब भी होती है हर सेंटेंस में, ऑक्सिलरी या फिर हेल्पिंग वर्ब. एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब्स आर एज फॉलोज. am, is, are, were, was. Modal verbs. Modal verbs are those verbs that used to denote the possibility, probability, capability or necessity of something happening. Modal verbs एक ऐसे verbs होते हैं जो कि denote करते हैं उसके chances कि वो हो सकता है, possibility या फिर उसकी necessity जो चीज़ हो रही है वहाँ. Examples of modal verbs are as follows: can, could, will, would, may, might. Thank you. So this was the part 1 of the verbs. Part 2 will come soon for you all. So keep watching. Thank you.